Best skateboarding ramps under $1,000. The skateboarding ramps are some of the funniest thing in the world. Skateboard ramps will give you memories for years to come and is something that can provide endless enjoyment. But finding the suitable skateboard ramp isn't easy. There are many duds on the market, so you have to be sure what you're purchasing on that provides you with enjoyment. Our pick of top 5 best skateboarding ramp will guide you. So let's start by number 1. Rampage 2 inches tall into 4 wide quarter pipe. All new and improved 2-quarter pipe. The greatest new features on our quarter pipe is the indestructible ABS plastic riding surface. Its grippy and traction allows for no more steel plates and is custom made for ramp deck. Unlike other ramp companies who are selling unprotected raw plywood, soon to be splinters, they are offering pre-tiled exterior grade black laminated HTO plywood sidewalls and a custom ABC plastic top surface that will not break, splinter or rot. Number 2. Fresh Park Professional BMX and Skateboarding Quarter Pipe. The 4-feet quarter pipe sets up in minute and connects side by side and back to back. Go as wide as you want to attach to the other Fresh Park ramps and rails. Detachable wheels make it portable and easy to store. Built for performance and durability, Fresh Park's advanced design concept brings you first truly linkable and portable skateboard ramp system. The ramps comes with a steel transition toe piece that gives you an easy approach to the ramp. Number 3. The OCRam quarter pipes are perfect for any age and any level skater. These executive skate ramps are designed to be highly portable and mobile. Roll the quarter pipe out to the street on the wheels and you're ready to skate. Order more than one of their quarter pipes and you can create a half pipe. Pull them side by side or whatever you prefer. All their quarter pipes include the best material and lumber on the market. Number 4. Mojoport a park. Create your own skate park anywhere with the complete Mojo Rails Port a Park skate course. Perfect for skateboard, bikes and inline skates. The set includes 2 wedges ramp, 1 fun box tabletop and 1 4-foot grind rail attachment. The fun box and 2 ramps can be used in a number of configurations to minimize the number of tricks you can perform. Number 5. TwoFit Professional Skateboard Quarter Pipe. The TwoFit quarter pipe comes in kit form. The pre-drill and pre-cut transition templates makes assembly and breeze. Online videos and simple assembly instruction helps this ramp to go together with ease. Completely customizable, feel free to add stickers, paint, etc. and make this ramp your own. No backyard skate park to complete without a quarter pipe. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.